Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. This is your Noyes notes and forecast for today. And a cold front is sweeping through the region. Behind it, a sharp drop in humidity is going to come in. But for some of us, it takes until overnight tonight. Northern New England starts to see the relief first. Then that drier air works into the region. With it comes some showers and downpours we'll talk about. The holiday weekend has a little bit of everything. So after turning cooler the next couple of days and less humid, Friday looks to be the coolest of the holiday weekend days. The weekend gets warm and humid again on both Saturday and Sunday, and because of that, there'll be some showers and storms around. Labor Day itself may start off with some unsettled weather, but then less humid air works in. So lots of details to talk about, of course, in the days to come and more in our Insights video later on. For the kiddos back to school, our daughter Charlotte heads back this morning. So parents, if you're up early and watching this video, you may just want to take a peek at the interactive radar to see if there are these showers out there in your community. And if you need the umbrella as you head off to the bus stop or as they head off for the walk to school, temperatures around 70 and then we'll be in the 80s for many of us, although in far northern New England, we peak at about 70 and then cool through the 60s during the afternoon. Let's take a look at that dew point and how it drops during the day today. Notice northern New England sees a sharp drop as early as this afternoon. So we drop from dew points in the 60s and feeling sticky to the 50s, much more dry, comfortable air coming in. It takes most of the day for southern New England to start to see a little bit of relief. So notice by 8 p.m., we start to see that drier air work in, although it takes until the overnight and early tomorrow morning along the immediate south coast. Dew points in the 40s and 50s tomorrow, so a totally different feel for our Thursday as the drier air comes in. Now, with some scattered showers and downpours, even some rumbles of thunder out there this morning, these will depart by mid to late morning. And after that, the sun breaks out in many areas through midday to early afternoon. There may be one or two lingering showers or storms. The greatest chance of that will be along the south coast to Cape Cod through early to mid-afternoon. And that's the cold front as it continues to push offshore. Otherwise, the sun breaks out again, northern New England. It actually turns into a beautiful, almost fallish day by the end of the day with dropping temperatures through the 60s. So will we hit 90 in far southern New England? It'll be close. We'll make a run at it. Upper 80s today, and above average day here for the end of August. Mid 70s, places like Sunapee, and then southeast New Hampshire, we're talking about highs in the mid 80s. Northern New England, different feel because we get the wettest period this morning and then the sun breaks out and highs only will be 65 to 70 in the far north country, including the Crown of Maine, but closer to 70 to 75 when you get from the Maine coastline back up to the Turnpike. Now, overnight tonight, it'll be mainly clear to partly cloudy and comfortable for sleeping. Actually, some of us dip into the 40s in far northern New England, many of us in the 50s to lower 60s when you get from Boston back down to the south coast. So our app, great tool to have. Over 20,000 downloads. Actually, we're up to about 30,000 now, and we got 4.9 out of 5 stars. So the feedback's been awesome. Look at your screen right now. We got 2 QR codes on there. The one on the left-hand side will bring you directly to the App Store to download it. You want to scan the one on the right-hand side that will take you directly to Google Play. And of course, if you just want to click on a link, it's right on our website, 1degreeoutside.com, the banner at the top, along with all of our weather information. We'll see you with more details on the rest of the weekend through the holiday weekend with our insights in a bit.